everyone, it's WIP Wednesday, so I wanted to hop on here and say hello. How's it going? This is my beautiful cat Jade, and she's purring right now. She's being so cute and lovable. She's super snuggly. She just turned 4 this week, 4 years old, and she got a new collar with a beautiful flower, and she likes to chill on my shoulders a lot and snuggle. Yes, you're so cute. Come on. So that's Jade, but she is usually not allowed in my craft room, but since she just turned 4, sorry, she just turned 4, she's allowed in here today. So how's everybody doing? Let me know what's on the crochet hook today. I hope you're having a fabulous Wednesday, fabulous week. It has been extremely rainy and cold this week. So yesterday I ended up making soup. It was delicious. Chicken dumpling soup. And I am crocheting our Halloween costumes. I'm so excited about them. They are turning out to be so wonderful. I've been quarantining and haven't really gone out much, so I am crocheting our Halloween costumes. I have 5 pieces to crochet, 2 pieces for me, 2 pieces for Nasser, and 1 piece for Nate, although there will only be 4 tutorials, I'm guessing, only 4 crochet tutorials for that, and those will come out early October, hopefully by the end of this month. I'm hoping to have it all finished in the next 2 weeks, but that's a lot. It's a lot of things to crochet in the next 2 weeks. Plus, we have the mystery crochet along going on September 14th. That is starting. Who's joining? I'm so excited for it. It's my first crochet along ever, and it's a mystery. So I know I shared a lot about it last week, and I am working on it with Nikki from Nikki's Homemade Crafts. She wants to snuggle so much. So say hi, Jade. Say hi, Jade. So yeah, we are working on the mystery crochet along. Get your supplies, all the information. I will link it in the description of this video so you can get where you need to find the materials and the crochet hooks and all the information of when it starts and what dates each piece is going to be released. This is going to be a 5-part video tutorial and written crochet instructions on our websites. Nikki is going to do part 1, then I'm going to do part 2, then Nikki's going to do part 3, and then I'm going to do part 4, and then we both do part 5. And it is, part 5 is different. You can choose if you want to do Nikki's finishing method or my finishing method on the piece that we are crocheting. So I'm really excited about that. And if you have already gotten your colors, please share photos in our groups on Facebook. I would love to see if you have a color scheme going on. I used a lot of jewel tones, like a purple, dark purple fuchsia color, a bright yellowy golden color, a teal aquamarine type of color, and then a gray color to tie it all together. So I'm really liking my color scheme. You need 4 separate colors, or you can just do a stash busting project and use multiple colors. It's totally up to you. But it is a full mystery, and I'm really excited about it. So we're going to start that September 14th. That is next Monday already. Wow. So I'm really excited for that. So make sure to follow both of us, sign up for both of our newsletters so you can get all the information. Tomorrow, Nasser and I are going to my parents' house, his Grammy and Grampy's house. We're going to go visit, and my dad and I are going to finish filming a tutorial that we had already filmed part of it, so we are filming the rest of it so we can have more tutorials out to you. And today again, it's rainy out, it's just really crummy out, so I think I'm just gonna play Disney Plus for Nasser, and we're gonna snuggle under some blankets. It's only 55 degrees here. Like, I'm wearing a sweatshirt, we're bundling up, it's chilly, and I don't want to turn my heat on yet. So we are just bundling up and snuggling. So we're doing that today, and probably just work on more crocheting of our Halloween costumes. I've been more on like a tea kick lately. I love coffee, but I've been drinking more and more tea lately. So if you have a flavor of tea that you absolutely love, please share with me what your favorite tea is, because I've been drinking more, like trying out different types of flavors, and there is a pumpkin tea. I really am enjoying chamomile tea right before bed. It just keeps me nice and cozy and getting ready for bed. But yeah, I think I'm gonna drink a cup of chai this afternoon and crochet. So woo, I'm so excited for our Halloween costumes. They're going to be so wonderful. Every year is so epic, and you guys like get super excited about them, so I really love that. So let me know what's on your crochet hook. 15 weeks till Christmas. So if you are starting your Christmas projects now, would be the greatest time to start, especially if you're making big projects like blankets, and if you're crocheting for a lot of people on your gift giving list. Then right now is the time to start, so you are not scrambling at the last minute like I usually do. So but yeah, no, you cannot. She's like trying to play with some yarn. I have a project back here. No, you cannot eat the yarn. This is why they're not allowed in here. Yes, her our other cat, I was gonna say her sister, but they're not actually blood related, but they look very similar. Fern is our other cat, and she is sleeping right now. So Jade is just being so snuggly right now. So cute. But anyway, that's really all I wanted to hop on here and talk about today. I am just so excited for the crochet along and for the Halloween costumes, and we're gonna film tomorrow. So I'm really excited about that. I hope you all have a great rest of your week, a great and safe weekend. Congratulations to everybody who has gone back to school, whether it's virtual or in person. Stay safe, and good luck to this new school year for everybody. I'm rooting for all of you this year. It's going to be wonderful. And yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about. So I hope you have a great week. I'll talk to you next week. Happy hooking! Oh, and P.S. I was just about to close everything down, but I wanted to let you know I got a lot of questions about the Would Be Fancy crochet hooks. If you are interested in buying one, they are available. There is a restock going on right now. I just got notice that restock happened, and there's new designs of hooks, so make sure that you get the link is in the description of this video to get your Would Be Fancy crochet hooks. And actually, I think I have one back here. There's one. I have a spindle. Oh, I lost it. Hang on. There it is. I have a spindle hook here. I'm going to drop my camera. I have a spindle crochet hook here, and this is from the Etsy shop, Would Be Fancy. These just are hand-carved, ergonomic, wooden handled crochet hooks, and they are lightweight. They are wonderful to use. They're spindle hooks. There's the classic design, which I think I have in my bag here. And there are new designs out there, and there's different types of wood. So if you are interested, make sure to get your Would Be Fancy crochet hooks. They're wonderful. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Happy WIP Wednesday.